everyone, Tony Winston here. I'm going to cover the song Bluebird today. It's by request. I've looked at several tutorials and I can do better than that. So anyway, I've written out a little arrangement here and you can download it. Just click on the link down in the description. It'll pop right up. And while you're down there, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so this is not like exactly the way to play it, but it'll help you with the chord voicings. So D major 7th, C sharp minor is this. However, you could do this or just leave that middle note out like that, and then F minor, and I've added a 7th down here. You know, you can do it either way. Sometimes I hear it one way, sometimes another way. B minor 7th. Now, with this arrangement, as long as you have the chords, you can, play it any way you want. So right there I went, added some more left hand. So let me cover that again. All right. So almost the same chord. This and then this. And then this and then this. Now for this next section, you can keep the bass going like this. Sorry. Or just play it the way I have it. So let's check that out. You don't have to. So here, it would have been better to write it with an A there, but since the melody and the bass note is the same, we really need to fill in the chord here. And you can hear that on the recording. Nice jazz chord here. G sharp minor 7th with a flat 5. And here we have C sharp 7th, and you should write this E as an E sharp. All right? Because think about C major, C, E, and G. So if you have C sharp, it's C, E, and G, and they're all sharp. Again, the pounding bass. Here it says E over D. So this is the E and it's over a D bass. E chord over D note. free sheet music. It's yours. Click on the link. Don't have to put in any personal information. It'll just pop right up, and it's yours. Enjoy, everyone. Thank you.